Now, student, all of you listen here. The fourth lecture is equation reducible to pair of a linear equation in two variable. Now, listen here. Suppose 3 upon x minus y upon 4 is equal to 8. It is not a linear equation, but after creating two variables means this 1 upon x 3 into 1 upon x. This 1 upon x is equal to m, and here 4 into 1 upon y. This 1 upon y is equal to n is adding. Therefore, what happens? The new form is 3 into m minus 4 into n is equal to 8, and it is also 3m minus 4n is equal to 8. This is the new equation. Then actually we should solve the one example by using this above method. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. This is equation 1. And 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. This is equation 2. Now this 4 upon x is converted to in this manner, 4 into 1 upon x plus this 5 upon y is converted into 5 into 1 upon x is equal to 7. And also this second equation, the 3 upon x is converted into 3 into 1 upon x, and y upon 4 is converted into y into 1 upon y is equal to 5. Therefore, this 1 upon x is equal to m, and this 1 upon y is equal to n. Now, therefore, the new equation is from 4m plus 5n is equal to 7. This is equation 3, and 3m plus 4n is equal to 5. This is equation number 4. Now, equation 3 is multiplied by 4. This equation 3 is multiplied by 4, and the equation 5 or equation 4 is multiplied by 5. This equation 4 is multiplied by 5. After that, what happened? 4 into 4, 16m. Then 4 into 5, 20n. 4 into 7, 28. Now the 16m plus 20n is equal to 28. This is equation number 5. Then fourth equation, 4 into 3, 15m. 4 into 4, 20n. 5 into 5, 25. Here 5 is 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. And hence 15m plus 20n is equal to 25. This is the equation number 6. Then subtract the equation 5th and 6th. Then listen here, 16m plus 20n is equal to 28. 15m plus 20n is equal to 25. Therefore, after subtracting, the negative sign is there. Therefore, 16 minus 15 is equal to 1m. 20 upon 20, 20 minus 20 is equal to 0, and 28 minus 25 is equal to 3. Now 1m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 3. This value of m is substituting in the equation 1. After that, this equation 3, this value is substituted in the equation 3. Therefore, this is the equation 3. 4m plus 5n is equal to 7, and here m is equal to 3 is added. 4 3s are 12, 5n is equal to 7. Then the 12 plus 5n is equal to 7. This 12 is going to this side, therefore 7 minus 12, and after the subtraction only 5 minus 5 is remain, and then n is equal to minus 5 upon 5, n is equal to minus 1 after division of that both. Now resubstituting the m is equal to 1 upon x and n is equal to 1 upon y. Then m is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 upon 3 means x is equal to 1 upon 3. Then here n is equal to 1 upon y is equal to this minus 1 and y is equal to 1 upon minus 1 means the y is equal to minus 1. Now the last point in this example, solution of given simultaneous equation is xy is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 minus 1. Solution of the given simultaneous equation is 1 upon 3 minus 1. Now in this way this example is completed. Then next example for the practice set 1.4, solving the following simultaneous equation. The example is 1 upon 2x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Then 8 upon x plus y upon 5 upon y is equal to 77. Now in this equation how to solve 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. This is the equation 1. Then 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This is the equation number 2. Then substitute here in equation 1, from equation 1 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15. This is the new form of that equation 1. And then second also 8 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. This is also a new form of the equation second. Now substituting value of 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Then new equation is 15 here 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. This is known as equation number 3 and this is also equation number 4. Now listen here. In this equation 2m minus 3n is equal to 15 and in this equation 8m plus minus n is equal to 17. In this both equations, after observing, you should create one term is equal in the coefficient form is equal, therefore this equation is solving. Therefore in equation 3 multiplied by 3 4 multiplied by 4. Now equation 3 is multiply by 4, therefore 4 to the 8m minus 12n is equal to 60 and this fourth equation is 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Then subtracting, this is the equation number 5th and this is the equation number 4. Now subtracting equation number 4, equation number 5 from that 4, subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. Here also 4 from 5. Then equation 4 is 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. 8m minus 12n is equal to 16. Here subtracting values, and then here also 0 plus 12 plus 15 17n is equal to 17. Listen here, this 12 shows the minus sign and this 5 shows the plus sign, but this minus sign is converted to plus sign because of the subtracting equation 4 to equation 5, and hence the positive signs converted to negative, negative sign convert to positive, positive signs again convert to negative, and hence these both have the positive sign, therefore it have additions here, and you should write plus 17n is equal to 17. Then n is equal to 17, n is equal to 17 upon 17 is equal to 1, therefore n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. Then substitute the value of n is equal to 1 in equation 3. 3 is in the Roman form. In equation 3, substitute the value of 1 in equation 3. Now to m, equation 3 is 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. 2m minus 3n is equal to 15, and in this equation 3 adding the value of n is equal to 1, therefore 2m minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. Now 2m minus 3 is equal to 15. Now listen here, 2m is equal to 15 plus 3, 2m is equal to 18, m is equal to 18 upon 2 and m is equal to 9, and then resubstituting the values of x, m and n. substituting the values of m and n. Then m is equal to 1 upon x is equal to 9 and n is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 1. Here x is equal to 1 upon 9 and here y is equal to 1. In this way, the solution is x y is equal to 1 upon 9 and 1. In this way, this example is completed. Now you should solve for homework HW homework example 1 10 x plus y plus 12 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 x plus y minus 5 x minus y is equal to minus 12. And second example, 27 x minus 2 plus 31 y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then 31 x minus 2 plus 27 y plus 3 is equal to 89. These two examples solved in homework.